Hello and welcome to another Trains At. Today we're at Dorridge on the Chiltern Main Line. So today we're going to be seeing services by Chiltern Railways, West Midlands Railway and Cross Country. Here is 168 triple what brought me in with a service. This will be working a service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. This is the train that brought me in from Birmingham Moor Street. So, and it looks like it's about ready to go. Okay, departing now is the 1530 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham to London Marylebone. And trailing into 168323. And here this is working the 1534 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Worcester Foregate Street. Take a walk down. Parting now is the 1534 West Midlands Railway service to Worcester Foregate Street. Pretty sure the front two cars were an old Chiltern train one. It has the Chiltern coloured seats on board. So it's towards sunny Worcester. Okay, so the next train drive is going to be a terminating West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street, worked by 172 221. On the rear is 172 331. With a very, very empty train. One 172 331 is on the rear. Be off guard. Numbers, absolutely no idea, and that is working a cross-country service from Newcastle to Reading. I did not see that coming. Okay, so next train drive, my camera's turned really bright, or it's the weather, is now working the slightly delayed 1550 Chiltern Railway service from London Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street, working the new livery, and it's worked by 168 219. Calling at Solihull and Birmingham Moor Street. Okay, departing now is the 1550, slightly delayed 1550 Chiltern Railway service to Birmingham Moor Street. Two. 168109 is on the rear. You can really hear the air conditioning really going on there. Got to work the aircon out somehow. This next train drive is going to be the 1600 Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. Worked by the 4 car and working the new livery. Is worked by 168001. Adrian, let's try and get the last name. So this is going to be calling at Warwick Parkway, Warwick, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Bicester North, Camden and Tame Parkway, High Wycombe and London Marylebone. Adrian Shooter is the name of this train, by the way. Okay, departing now is the 1600 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone. Surprisingly, it's leaving 2 minutes early. Look how much bugs are on the back of that thing. There is so many of them. Good grief, that could do with a clean. Pass by should be a cross-country Voyager service going from Reading to Newcastle. The numbers are going to be a bit tricky on this. Numbers, absolutely no idea. Starting now is 172331, working the 1603 West Midlands Railway service to Worcester Foregate Street. So this is going to be calling at Whitney Manor, Solihull, Alton, Acox Green, Tyseley, Birmingham Moor Street, Birmingham Snow Hill, Jewellery Quarter, the Hawthorns, Smethwick Galton Bridge, Langley Green, Rowley Regis, Cradley Heath, Starbridge Junction, Hagley, Lakedown, Kidderminster. There's 172111 on the rear, by the way. Kidderminster, Droitwich Spa, Worcester Shrub Hill and Worcester Foregate Street. Hey, so the next train drive is going to be the 1620 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Street to Stratford upon Avon. Calling at Lapworth, Claverdon, Burley, Stratford upon Avon Parkway and Stratford upon Avon. And leading is 1722219. Now catch the rear when it departs. Okay, departing now is the 1620 West Midlands Railway service to Stratford upon Avon. On the rear is 1722216. In purple writing as well. Look up there's a Ryanair flight. Going out of Birmingham, but I'm not sure where. There's another Ryanair flight. I think that's off to Dublin, so I can see it turning slightly. So our final train of the day is going to be the 1634 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford upon Avon to Birmingham Snow Hill. This was meant to have continued on to Worcester Foregate Street, but due to a shortage of train crew, it's terminating at Birmingham Snow Hill. It's worked by 1722213. On the rear is 1722340. Now as that comes to a stop, I shall leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. It's greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed today, please do leave a like and subscribe. Please do leave a comment. I will go back to them as when I get the opportunity to. Dorridge, I think it's not an overly long film today, but like an hour is all you need. Great action from West Midlands Railway today. Great action from Chiltern. Sadly, no 68s today. But we still have the good old Turbo Stars and the new livery as well. And there's a nice cafe down there. And a nice waiting room. So it's a very nice station. So, for the next time for me here at Dorridge on the Chiltern Main Line, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.